Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I'll be introducing Johor Laksa. It's fish and prawn based gravy. It's eaten with spaghetti and series of vegetables. So why spaghetti? It is believed that Sultan Abu Bakar, known as the founder of modern Johor, had acquired of the love for the pasta during his stays in Italy. So when he came back to Johor, he instructed his royal chef to use spaghetti instead of rice noodles. So if you want to know more about Johor Laksa, please watch this video till the end.
Very good.
You know why are we here today?
Obviously kan nampak you have all these condiments and spaghetti and I'm assuming that this is kuah laksa. So Johor.
Excited?
You can see very much.
What is your fondest memory of Laksa Johor?
Fondest memory, obviously masa hari raya lah kan. That's about the only time. Growing up, that's about the only time yang kita orang boleh betul-betul lanyak Laksa Johor kan. So yeah, it reminds me of hari raya.
So since it's in front of you, why don't you try mine?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is a good chap lah they call it. Orang Johor je yang chap, yang pandai chap spaghetti ni bagai kan. Nampak macam pekat. Fuh. This guy. We put all the condiments. Right, ni. Okay, this is caipu. And this is a very must have. Last sekali kita letak sambal belacan. Sap. Kurang limau. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the best part about Laksa Johor, okay? Only Johorian would have to use their hand untuk makan mie. Wow.
So Falik, do you think Laksa Johor is a must-have during Hari Raya?
So yes, it's a must-have, especially untuk rumah Johor because lontong, lemang, rendang ni semua you can get it anywhere. Laksa Johor, wajib.
Hi Shabin.
Yes, hello.
How are you today?
I am fine.
And do you know why are we here?
Yes, I am here to test out the Laksa Johor.
What is your fondest memory of Laksa Johor?
My fondest memory of Laksa Johor is eating it nearby a stall in my place. Heavy rain during that time and this makcik, he came all out of her way just to serve me this Laksa Johor in a small paper cup. And I rolled down my window and I took it, and when I ate it, it was incredible because it tasted, I could not describe the taste and how it tasted. It was really an authentic Johor dish that must be tasted by all who are Malaysian.
Now that we are here, why don't you try mine?
Sure.
Laksa Johor is a must?
Yep, I do think it's a must. It captures every moment that you need in a dish. It has the sweetness, it has the savouriness, and it's rich, and it's perfect for all occasions.
Hello, Jiahui.
Hello.
你好吗?
How?
Do you know why are we here?
Yeah, I was invited to test your Laksa Johor.
Have you tried any of the Laksa Johor
I remember when my friends are all Malay. When Hari Raya, they call me for Laksa Johor.
Since we are here today, why don't you try my authentic of Laksa Johor?
Okay, shall I start now?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Wow, I'm surprised you eat all the condiments.
I take everything. I want to taste your sambal belacan. Wow, this is the best Laksa Johor ever. Very nice.
Really?
Yes, it is very nice.
真的啊？
Sendat, 我没变。
谢谢你啊！吃吃吃 ，Don't be shy.
谢谢。
Do you think Laksa Johor can be served on any occasion?
Honestly, I should say yes. You should have it every day. I like your laksa very much.
Hi, Mel.
Hi Jess.
Do you know why are we here?
For your Laksa Johor, definitely.
What is your fondest memory of Laksa Johor?
My fondest memory of Laksa Johor is I used to live in Johor. I used to live in a place called Lakin. Neighbors were all Malays, and we used to have Laksa Johor like more than 6-7 times a year. So it's something which I'm so used to.
For info, Melanie has mixed parentage of Australian and Sinhalese. I was brought up here in Johor. She's familiar with Laksa Johor. So Mel, today I want you to try mine.
Definitely. I can't wait. Can I start?
Yeah.
Thank you. Wow, Jess, your condiments are very complete.
So Mel, do you think Laksa Johor can be served on any occasion?
Yes, definitely. I've had Laksa Johor for Hari Raya. Hari Raya, definitely. I have had Laksa Johor for Christmas. I had Laksa Johor for Deepavali. I had Laksa Johor even for Chinese New Year. So it's okay. Because it's from Johor. So any Johorians can have Laksa Johor in their home, isn't it?
Do you think it can be the daily thing?
Yes, of course. It can be a daily thing. You got to have authentic Laksa Johor because Laksa Johor, if it's authentic, it is only done with spaghetti, not with yellow noodles, not with mihun. So it has to be with spaghetti.
Thank you, Mel.
You're welcome. Jazz.
Okay.
I nak tambah boleh?
Yeah.
So good. Thank you.
Founder of Modern Novelty. Cannot please watch this video till the end. Okay.
And then, apa tadi aku cakap?
There's one.
ありがとうございましたののしてぬとのねけちゃのくとせのでつねの落差情報だけせつとねねりゃ
The core first,